For me, the most rewarding moments root back to my background in university, where I studied both communications and computer science. This unique combination allows me to speak the same language as our algorithm and engineering teams, making cross-functional communication incredibly smooth. But the real magic happens when I translate their hardcore, complex technology into clear, intuitive value that our everyday users can easily grasp. For instance, on our platform, a user only needs to upload a single photo to generate their 3D model and ultimately receive a physical, tangible figurine that they can give to a friend as a meaningful gift. Seeing that full ecosystem loop close, from a digital pixel to a heartfelt, physical gift, that is exactly where I find my deepest sense of achievement. When you're pushing through the hardest crunches, you completely lose all track of time to get a breakthrough release out the door. There were times we pulled 3 all-nighters in a row. At that time, our engineering team had just cracked a massive breakthrough in our core algorithm. Once we ran the initial user tests, the feedback was overwhelmingly positive. Our testers were absolutely thrilled with the results. More importantly, this capability directly empowered them to deliver final products to their own clients, which, let's be honest, means it was directly boosting their bottom line and helping them make money. The demand was so intense that our community was practically begging us to release this feature. So we knew we had to hit that perfect market window, rally together, and ship this product into production as fast as humanly possible. During that whole sprint, everyone on the team was incredibly fired up, because we knew we were delivering undeniable, real-world value to our users. Honestly, by that point, the entire concept of time had completely evaporated for everyone. We all had this absolute laser focus, just ship this product out the door as fast as we could. It would all be worth it. It's just an incredibly rewarding feeling. And when it finally went live, the absolute flood of positive feedback we received from our community was unreal. That collective sense of pride and validation, everyone on the team was sharing that exact same high. Right now, our core unfair advantage lies in our 3D portrait generation. When it comes to transforming a single flat photo into a highly realistic 3D figurine, we are arguably the absolute best in the industry right now. And the market potential here is massive. Think about the traditional photo studios you see on every corner. Their entire business model is about capturing a real person and turning them into a 2D photograph. What we are doing is disrupting that entirely. We take that photo and elevate it into a physical, 3D asset. This is a two-dimensional leap, a substantial expansion of data and depth. And that unlocks an incredibly massive, untapped market. What sets us apart is our radical alignment. From leadership to our interns, everyone knows exactly what our North Star is. Our shared mission is to empower creators to turn their wild imaginations into physical, tangible products, and we are single-mindedly obsessed with cracking that code. The moment that left the deepest mark on me was actually our very first product launch. By 10 p.m. on launch night, we already had hundreds of eager creators waiting in line, completely refreshing for our go-live announcement. You could literally feel the weight of their expectations on our shoulders. But as the clock struck 10, we were still staring at a mountain of critical issues that needed to be resolved. I remember vividly, it was right before the Labor Day holiday, but there was absolutely zero complaining. Everyone completely dropped their personal plans, locked themselves in, and went into full combat mode, hunting down and crushing every single bug. Finally, at 3 a.m., we hit the button and successfully pushed it live. It always goes back to that first launch night. Knowing we had over 200 creators waiting in line for us to go live. That was the moment I realized our platform is doing something bigger. We are seamlessly bridging the gap between creators and consumers. On one side, creators can fully realize their artistic visions and directly monetize them through our platform to generate a sustainable income. On the other side, consumers gain access to a marketplace, where they can order highly personalized figurines or purchase officially authorized IP collectibles. But here's the beauty of it. This transaction volume feeds a consistent stream of printing orders directly to our 3D print shop partners. This, in turn, drives upstream material consumption and completely accelerates the growth of the entire full-color 3D printing ecosystem.